Once upon a time in Japan, a young warrior dreamed of becoming the greatest samurai. He read books, made plans, and spoke proudly of his ambition. But when it came to action, he always delayed. Tomorrow, I'll begin training. Tomorrow, I'll be ready. One evening, his teacher, an old master, handed him a single bamboo stick and said, "Do one cut, just one. Tomorrow do another, and the next day, again. Small steps, no excuses." At first, the student felt frustrated. How could greatness come from such tiny practice? But he obeyed. One cut became two, two became 10, and soon his body moved naturally without thought. The master explained, "Dreams without action are like swords left in their sheath, sharp but useless. Discipline is forged in repetition, not in waiting for motivation." Years later, the young warrior became known not for his ambition, but for his discipline. He learned that success is not built in a single heroic act, but in small daily victories that slowly sharpen the soul. So remember this lesson. Do not wait for motivation, for it is a guest that rarely arrives on time. Take one small action today, however tiny. Each step builds momentum, and each moment of practice shapes the master within you. Your path does not demand perfection, only progress. Step by step, cut by cut, your discipline will carve the life you seek.
Please subscribe to our channel Mind Uplift, like our videos, and share them with your friends and families. Together, let's spread positivity.